As always, we would like to take a minute to focus on those whose vision continues to inspire us and whose ideas of peace and harmony we hope to take forward as an organization and as individuals as well. If one of you could confirm you can see my screen all right?
Yes.
All right. So these are the people that we honor as visionaries and friends of the guides. We'd also like to keep in our thoughts all those who we have lost in the past month, friends, collaborators, and people outside the organization who have shared our vision. Pioneering educationist and writer Dr. Ismail Saad, prominent child and maternal rights activist Sindhu Tai Sapkal, prominent journalist and former editor of The Herald, Saqib Hanif, acclaimed bureaucrat and social activist Tasneem Ahmed Siddiqui, eminent painter and professor Mahmood ul-Haq, award-winning veteran journalist and editor Kamal Khan, renowned social development activist and director of Orangi Pilot Project Anwar Rashid, physicist, peace activist, and ex-president of People Union of Civil Liberties Gujarat, Professor J.S. Bandukpala, noted Kannada poet, playwright, activist, and public intellectual, Professor Chandrasekhar Patil, Bengali writer and chronicler of post-partition East Pakistan, Mihir Sen Gupta, writer, educator, and environmental activist from Goa, Maria Aurora Kutu, founder member of People's Union for Civil Liberties, Rajasthan, and Indo-Pak peace activist Harold Singh, two-time Olympian and captain of gold medal winning hockey team at the Tokyo Olympics, Charanjit Singh, noted Malayalam language poet, orator, and progressive literary activist S. Rameshan, former coach and captain of national football team of Bangladesh, Shahiduddin Ahmed Salim, author, disability rights activist, and mountaineer who was part of the first successful Indian expedition to Mount Everest, HPS Ahluwalia, prominent Pashto language poet and teacher Taskeen Manarwal, Olympian and the first Asian gold medalist of the 400-meter hurdles for Pakistan, Mirza Khan. We'll take a second to keep them in our thoughts and prayers, and I'll give this back to Kapta.